Start by clicking the Selection button on the menu bar on the left of the app. You have the option to build a spatial query or an attribute query. Let's go with the spatial query for now. The default layers that will be selected with the spatial query are the ones checked on in your layers list. First, choose the geometry type that you want to use to draw your spatial query. Draw your shape around the area you want to capture and click the New Selection button. The tables at the bottom of the map will fill up with all selected items within your spatial query. Click each tab to see the items of each layer. Change the number of records per page with the drop-down menu on the bottom of the table. You can also sort the table by pressing the arrows next to the field names. Select the items in the table to zoom to the feature on the map. Remove the item by clicking the Trash Bin button on the top left of the Identify menu. Let's refine our query using the Attributes query. Head back to the Selection tab to add more items. Remove the selections using the Clear Selected button. Use the drop-down menu to select a layer. Add an attribute query and choose a field and value. You can add multiple attribute queries or a spatial query if needed and select New Selection. To add a different layer to this query, change the layer in the drop-down menu and start another attribute query and click Add to Selection. If you need to add a new spatial query, draw the new geometry and click Add to Selection. To export the selected data, click the drop-down menu under Export Selection and choose CSV. Click the Export button and wait for the download to complete. Import the CSV into Excel to view your exported data.